It is the holy month of Ramzan. This is when the city of Mumbai gets together to celebrate over some great food. My name is Kalyan and I've tried out the various food options here during this period. I'm going to take you to Bori Mohalla, where I've come across the best food during Ramzan, and it is nowhere as crowded as the more iconic Muhammad Ali Road.
We are now at Salman's, which is a small shop in Bori Mohalla. It is run by a gentleman who'd come from Bulandshahr in UP near Delhi. And what they sell is very unique, it's very difficult to get in Mumbai. It's called the Dilli Pulao. And the pulao is very similar to the sort of biryani which you get in Lucknow, which is probably why people like Kunal Vijayakar or Khurooj Dalal call the biryani in Lucknow a pulao. And the difference from a biryani which you get in Mumbai or in the south is that it is not spiced. So it's more about the flavors of rice, the very subtle flavors of spices and the meat in it. You get two types of biryani. There's the chicken biryani and the mutton biryani. What they call the mutton biryani is actually made with beef or buff, and which is locally referred to as bade. तो ये जो बिरयानी बताते होते हैं यहाँ पे रिजवान भाई, तो ये कितना टाइम लगता है बनने में?
बनने में आधा घंटा लगता है।
आधा घंटा लगता है बनना है। तो ये चिकन बिरयानी है और बड़े का बिरयानी?
चिकन बिरयानी रहता है और बड़े का बिरयानी रहता है।
हाँ, और दोनों शाम को ही बनता है?
हाँ, दोनों सुबह 11 रमजान से अलग भी है, 11 से रात को 11 तक रहता है, और रमजान में मगरिब के बाद चालू होता है और 11:30 तक रहता है।
तो ये जो स्टाइल है आप लोग बुलंदशहर में सीख के यहाँ पे आए हैं?
हाँ, बुलंदशहर से सीख कर आए थे।
तो जो मुंबई में लोग, उनका आदत है कि जाफ़र भाई वगैरह का बिरयानी जिसमें बहुत मसाला रहता है, तो आपके बिरयानी में वो उतना मसाला नहीं है, तो उनको ये कैसा लगता है?
बिरयानी में मसाला कम रहता, दिखता कम है, मसाला पूरा रहता है,
बहुत फ्लेवर है। हाँ, मगर दिखने में नहीं होता
है। नहीं है हमारी बिरयानी। पहले बोल करते हैं। हाँ। बोल करने के बाद में फिर चावल में डालते हैं उसको। हाँ। पहले पूरा तैयार करते हैं मटन को, बाद में चावल के साथ बनाते हैं।
और चिकन जो है वो दोनों एक साथ?
चिकन को चावल के साथ में बनाना पड़ता है।
तो आपको सिखाया कौन ये बिरयानी, ये पुलाव बनाना?
और अब्बा सिखाया।
आपका अब्बा सिखाया। So this is the chicken biryani, and this is how people take parcels. So they put into plastic bags and they're taken here, or you can eat them over here in paper plates. There are no knives and forks, so you have to use your fingers to eat them. This is the pulao at the famous Salman's Pulao, which has come all the way in Azamgarh in UP via Jama Masjid in Delhi. It's come to Mumbai, and it's got, like this said, I mean, the spices are not visible in fact in it, but it's got really strong flavors, and it's got very tender, you can see it over here, lovely tender buff meat over here, and you get a chicken version as well if you don't want to do it. And no knives and forks over here, so you have to use your fingers and eat it the proper Indian way. And it's going to be hot, so it might singe your fingers. Beautiful flavors of it. And as you eat it, the spice hits you, the heat hits you, and the bites of the jeera and the masalas, and the beef is so tender. It's like really, really nice. It's a lovely dish. If you like subtly flavored rice with a touch of heat in it, then this is what you need to go for. And the meat is like really tender. If this meat doesn't work for you, you can try the chicken version as well. Don't expect any knives, forks, or even spoons over here. Just dig in with your fingers and eat the traditional way. A pulao which will take you from Bori Mohalla in Mumbai straight all the way to Azamgarh.